Hello everyone, welcome to Officer 24/7. My name is Niharika Walia Bhatnagar and I'm with you with the specific area of JIIB Accounting and Financial Management for Bankers. Acha everyone, as you already know, we have accounting and financial management series going on from quite a long time. If this is useful to you, then please go ahead and download our PDFs of these previous year questions as well. Those previous year questions are also available for you. Number two, if you're planning to take up our courses, then hurry up. 81% discount is going on, 80% on the courses, and 1% extra if you download the app right away. Okay, so that's one of the perfect timings that if you are planning, then do not wait for a longer period at all, everyone. It is super important that we buy the particular courses at the least price, don't we? So the best thing is if we are looking forward towards our courses, then buy them right away. And at the same time, 80% discount is if you are downloading it through the app, and 1% extra downloading through the website, 1% extra if you're downloading the app. You just need to use the code Y541 and you will get the discount right away. So please make sure that you are purchasing our courses right away without any thought process further, because if you have liked the particular sessions here, the sessions in the classes are way more detailed. We do a lot of questions, MCQs, theory questions, concept-based working, extra questions, unit-wise tests are also available, and mock tests are also available. And that means you name it, and every single feature that you might need for this examination is already available for you. So if you're planning, then please hurry up and take up our courses right away, because this opportunity is definitely for a very limited time. Chaliye then, everyone, let's look at our courses right away. Acha, first of all, everyone, quick revision series was going on. I was dealing with a few important areas. Currently, I'm dealing with depreciation. Depreciation, according to me, is very, very important, right? So, here comes the first question for you, everyone. Look at this. If the amount of any known liability cannot be determined with substantial accuracy, where will you put it, everyone? A reserve should be created, a contingent liability should be created, or a definite liability should be created, or the last one, a provision should be created. What's going to be the answer according to you? Certain amount and uncertain amount, both are there now. I think when we talk about certainty, it is always about provisions. And when we talk about something which is uncertain, then you just don't have any option, don't we? Your options are available for something which is certain. If the things are uncertain, then how can you choose something? Isn't it? So in this case, what's going to be the answer? Done? So, chaliye then. Let's look at the options in detail. When we talk about a reserve, it should be created in, but not in terms of, see, if the amount of any known liability cannot be determined, the provision is created, but that is nothing known to us. A reserve should be created, a contingent liability, but the liability is known, it's not uncertain in nature. Then a definite liability should be created or a provision. When such a scenario occurs, it is always a provision. Provision should be created in certain areas so that you know something's gonna happen, then you should always be ready for that. Don't we? Chaliye. Now comes the next question, everyone. Everyone, as you can see, the code is Y541. If you're looking forward towards our courses, then kindly use this code to get 81% discount. This is available for a very limited period. So please make sure you are purchasing our courses right away, because this is the maximum discount that is provided and you've got the maximum discount going on. That means this is the perfect time to look forward to it. Which of the following methods of depreciation allocates a fixed amount of cost to each unit of production? SLM, units of production, declining method, or sum of years digit method? You don't have all the methods in the examination, but yes, a few of the methods are definitely there in your examination. So when we talk about SLM, SLM is straight line method, also called original cost method. Under this method, what do we do? In this case, the answer is based upon only one thing, that when we talk about SLM, SLM is something, okay, SLM is something which we talk about is basically a method which is completely defined in a certain manner. Okay, a complete definition of this method can be stated like, under this method what happens is the one particular installment is determined, and that's the same amount of uh, that is the same amount which is taken every single year. Okay, which of the following depreciation allocates the fixed amount? SLM, units of production, declining, or sum of years? Sum of year digit method takes about the numerator side we have number of years left divided by sum of digits. Then we have double declining method. This is also called WDV method, one of the methods which is recommended even by income tax department. They even recommend only this method. Units of production method, the more you produce, the more it changes. Matlab, this is based upon your production. While SLM is based upon the life of the asset. Okay, if the life is longer, then the value would be different. If the life is shorter, the value would be certainly different. Done, everyone? Chaliye ji. The answer in this case is, which of the following allocates fixed cost of this is related to the fixed amount of cost to each unit of production. If they're talking about fixed each unit of production, the answer has to be units of production. If they would have talked about fixed installment, then it would have been SLM. Okay? Under which of the method the book value of an asset is reduced by the fixed percentage every year? Book value matlab whatever is left by the end of the year. Okay? Book value is your cost minus depreciation for the year. Whatever you're left with is written down value, or also known as book value. One of the terms that is more suitable is book value. Done? Straight line method, unit of production, declining, or sum of year digit method? Everyone? What's going to be the answer? It is reduced by a certain percentage. Certain percentage, matlab the percentage remains the same, है ना? And the value keeps on declining based upon the value of the previous years. SLM is same depreciation every year. Units of production will vary with the production amount. Declining method talks about the deduction, and then sum of year digit method, as I told you, this is based upon whatever your depreciable value. Matlab if you are noting down, then you can depreciable value multiplied by number of years left divided by sum of digits. Done, everyone? So this is the method for sum of years digits. So if you want to note down, take a moment and please note it down. These things are super important. Done, everyone? चलिए जी. Let's look at the next question then. In this case, the answer is WDV. Chaliye then. Let's look at the next question. This was double declining, sorry, this is declining balance method, also known as diminishing balance method, also known as written down value method, and it is also called, there are different names given to it now. Then is reducing balance method. Done, everyone? Chaliye. Here comes the next question. Which of the following factors is considered while estimating the useful life of an asset? Which is considered salvage value, market value, historical cost, or future value? Everyone? Salvage value is the value by the end of the life of the asset. है ना? Salvage value is a scrap value. So in this case, what's going to be the answer? Which of the following factors is considered while estimating the useful life? For useful life, it is expected future profits, future repairs. If at this point of time, future repairs are going to be more and more and more, at one point of time, we'll definitely be irritated with that fact. Na, ki, arre, till now, this particular thing is not done yet, and we have to do this. Hai na? This has to be reviewed. Done, everyone? Chaliye, next question. If the salvage value of an asset is higher than book value, acha, can this happen? If what you'll get by the time that particular thing is there with you and its value is changing, then sometimes this happens now, that particular thing becomes too valuable in the market, and there is nothing weird about it. A few times what happens is the thing that you have bought, okay, the value of it changes in the market altogether. So in this case, what happens is that when we talk about the particular product now, so this says depreciation expense decreases, depreciation expense increases, depreciation expense remains unchanged, and depreciation expense becomes zero. What will happen in this case, everyone? If the amount that I thought would be, say, acha chaliye, let me give you an example there. In this case, depreciation expense decreases, increases, and whatever the case may be. First of all, I have to understand now, what are they dealing with? Okay, now look at this part. If the salvage of the asset, the book value currently that we are having is 50,000 rupees. The value is around 50,000. Now, if it is 50,000 right now, and Salvage value, if I try to sell it in the market, I'm getting 75,000 in future. That simply means it's high time I cannot continue with the same level of depreciation anymore. Now I have to reduce my depreciation expense further. It cannot be the same anymore because we are recovering the money from the particular person, of course. So in this case, we have to look forward to, है ना? Done, everyone? Next question. Which of the following is not a method of providing depreciation? Sinking fund, annuity, sum of year, or accelerated method? Accelerated is also called double declining method. That's also a very important data. Double declining method is the more you use it, the amount definitely changes over the period of time. Okay? This happens. Over the period of time, this happens. Double declining is used when the organization is using too much of it. Everyone? All the methods are covered? What is annuity? Annuity is something which we'll be dealing in the finance. We have studied about it in financial management. It's not a part of depreciation here. You know? So in this case, what's going to be the answer? Sinking fund is a method. I have to keep the money aside for my future. Annuity method is used for keeping annually a certain amount for the future. Then the next part is sum of year digit method. Sum of year digit method, I've already shown you the particular formula. And then we have accelerated method. Under accelerated method, what do we do? That is the method in which we speeden up the method of depreciation. Everything is there. So in this case, the correct answer is actually annuity method. The correct answer is annuity method. Done, everyone? चलिए then. Done? चलिए जी. Now let's look at the next question. Which of the method assumes the asset depreciates more in the early years? SLM, double declining, units of production, or sum of year method? Everyone, SLM, double declining, or units of production method? Or sum of year digit. Sum of year digit is based upon the number of years left. This is also similar to that. SLM uses the same amount. Units of production, whatever you're producing is based upon that. है ना? Everyone? So the answer in this question would be double declining balance method. Okay? So in this case, the correct answer is double declining balance method. This is actually accelerated depreciation method as well, in which we increase the depreciation by doing what? By doubling it. Because we are using it more, so we charge more depreciation. Done? Chaliye. That's it for the day. Acha everyone, if you haven't reviewed our courses yet now, then please hurry up, because I don't think this particular offer is gonna last for a longer period. So if you are looking forward to it, then just check out our website. Just look at the specific area, go to our website there, go on to the area of JAIIB Mahapack. Get this particular Mahapack only. If you're looking forward towards JAIIB Mahapack, and the best is JAIIB Mahapack right now. If you're planning only for JIB currently, then use the code Y541 and get the specific Mahapack, in which you get double validity 6 plus 6 months. And if you apply the code Y541, then you'll get for 80% discount, 1% extra for downloading the app. In the app, there's a certain amount of coins available. You can utilize those coins and get this particular course. That means 5999 and you can get the course right away. So please hurry up and check out on our website, on our app, for further details. Okay, so hurry up everyone, before the offer ends, get the particular course.